Okay, this lecture is for the modification tools. Okay, last lecture 2, we know the function, we learned the function of draw tools. Okay, now let's go to the function of modification tools. Okay, let's just go straight to our AutoCAD right here. We have, let's say, let's work with this tool line for our demonstration. Okay, the first two here is erase, copy, mirror, offset, and others. Okay, now listen, let's, just in case you don't have your modification tool here, you can also come to modify, then you find all of this here and even more. Okay, but just like I said in the second class, all you need to know is the one that are very needful to you in plotting a survey plan. All right, okay, so the first, let's go straight. The first here is erase. Erase is like your delete button in your computer. Okay, it's used to erase item. For instance, I click on my erase and I want to erase this line. I click on the line and I right click or press enter. Okay, right click is also enter. So I have successfully erased that line. Number two, we have copy. What is copy? Used to copy your item. Okay, I click on copy, I click on the line, I press enter, I have copied this item. Okay, enter. Then number three, we have mirror. Of course, mirror is used to depict image in mostly opposite or adjacent or perpendicular format. All right, click on my mirror, click on the item I want to mirror, then click enter. Can you see I can mirror the grid that I want, any angle that I want? Enter. Okay, the next here we will learn is move. To move your item, okay, or your line, click on move, click on this line, enter, then you can move this line to wherever you want to move it to. Okay, move is different from copy. Copy duplicates, move just move the line alone. Next thing here we have is rotate. If you want to rotate your item or your line, click on rotate, click on the line, right click, then you can now rotate this and go to any degree. All right, the next thing here is scale. I know I'm coming to talk on scale properly, so this illustration I may not talk on scale. Okay, let's go to stretch. It's just used to stretch your item. Most of the times I usually use it to stretch my item in a straight line. So I just click on my stretch, click on where I want to stretch, right click, then I can stretch my item. Okay, all right, so the next line here is trim. I want to trim my line or my poly line or whatsoever. Let's assume this is how my line is, and I want this part of it to be out of this diagram of this shape. So all I need to do is click on trim, click enter, click here where you want to trim. Are you seeing that successfully trim it? So let me come again, click on trim. Okay, click on trim, click enter, then you can now click where you want to trim. All right, so the next thing is extend. Okay, you want to extend your line. For instance, this very line I want to extend it to be connected to this line. All right, all I need to do is press extend, click on this line, enter, then click here. Can you see it has extended my line to that very place? All right, I hope you understand that. And the next thing is, after extend, break at point. You want to break your line at a specific point, wherever, maybe at this point. You want to break your line at this point. All you need to do, click on break at point, click on the line you want to break, and click on the point you want to break it at. All right, can you see you have separated these two lines? You have break it as what? At that point. All right, now break is kind of similar but not the same thing. If you want to break an item maybe at the middle or whatsoever, all you need to do is click on break, click on the line you want to break, and click on the point. Maybe you want to break it at this point. All right, click on that point. Can't you see it has broken this line at this point? Okay, so the next thing is join. All right, you want to join two lines together. I have this. Okay, let's say I have this line. You want to join it as polyline, all right? All you need to do is to what? Click on join. Click here. They are separate line, and enter. You have joined this line together as polyline. Okay, let's go again. I think we missed something. Okay. Why is it not coming up? Join. I don't know why it's not coming up, but that join is used to join two lines together to form a polyline. All right. Unlike region is used to join. What's it called? It's used to join shape together to form a polyline. But in this case, line is used to join. Join is used to join lines together to form a polyline. It's not coming up in this case. I don't know why, but that is the function of line. Okay, that's the function of join. All right. Let's try one more time. Can you see? They were separate line, but now they have become polyline. All right. So that is the function of what? Of join. And the next thing is chamfer. What is chamfer? Chamfer is used to give. I'm trying to look for a proper way to define it. Chamfer connects two surfaces together, but in an angled edge. All right. So these two edges, if I want to connect it together, but it will be connected but in an angle edge. Then another item here is fillet. Fillet connect two surfaces together but in a what? In a rounded edge. Okay, let's practicalize it. If I click on chamfer, I click here and click here. All right, let's go again. I click on chamfer. Let's say I want to use angle or distance. Yeah, let's use distance. Let's use 2 meters. Enter. Let's use 2 meters for the other one. Enter. Then click